Hi, this is Hannah Taylor, and this is my overview for Enhancement 1. So here's my mobile home view, and you'll see that things respond as I hover, and the layout is the same as the image, and you'll see that as I drag it out, it's responsive, and the layout changes as it gets to the tablet view, and then of course to desktop view, it gets larger. And then if we test the validity of CSS, you'll see there's no errors. And when I do HTML, no errors or warnings. And here's my template for the Acme page. And when I validate CSS, no errors. And validate HTML, no errors or warnings. Thank you for watching.